Sean works for a company's normal rate of pay is £12 per hour. When Sean works more than 8 hours a day, he's paid overtime for each hour he works more than 8 hours, which is how it normally works anyway. Sean's rate of overtime pay per hour is 1.25 times the normal rate of pay. On Monday, Sean worked for 10 hours. Work out the total amount of money Sean earned on Monday. So, okay. So first of all, the 8 normal hours that he's done, he'll be paid at his normal rate. So we're going to be paid for the first 8 hours. He's going to be paid at £12 an hour. So that'll give us a total of £96 for his first 8 hours of that day. Now, we know that on Monday he worked in total how many hours? He worked 10 hours. So he worked an extra 2 hours. So the extra 2 hours we're going to do now. So the 2 hours he's going to be paid at 1.25 times the £12. So that's the calculation that we are going to be doing. Now, how do we work out what 1.25 of the 12 is? So it'll be like, it's in a sense, if you think about it, it's 25% increase, but you need to know how to work this out without using a calculator. So if you want to work this out without the calculator, let's have a look. So we can do 4 times by 1. I'm not sure I got my pen there. 4 times by 1. 4 times by 1 is 4, add 1 is 5. So we can change the calculation now. Okay. Now we can cancel. Well, let's cancel. So we divide this by 4. We divide this by 4. So that'll give us 2 times by 5 is 10. Times by 3, that'll give us an answer of 15. Okay, £15. So 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times by 3, pardon me. So you got 15, then you've also got times it by the 2 as well. So let's put that back in. So the final answer is £30. So we have to now work out the total. So you have £96 for the regular hours, £30 for the overtime hours. We've got to grab these two and we have to add them up. So when we add them up, that will give us a value of £126. So that's just one way that we can do that calculation without using a calculator. There's lots of other ways of doing it, so don't worry about that. That's the end of our question number 9.